Hey there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you how to use Ecwid, right? So, but in case if you know some of the stuff, you can just click the timestamps in the description, and then you can just skip to the part where you're not sure. But then so far, let's go on the video. So first we're gonna start by signing up, right? But before we sign up, right, I just wanted to show you guys what some people are doing, what most people are doing, right? Whereby they pay someone else to build the Ecwid website for them, because some people find it hard, some people find it very difficult, so they just pay someone, right? So to find someone who's gonna do the Ecwid website for you, right, you just click the link in the description and you'll be taken to this page here on the screen, right? And once you're taken to this page, from this page you'll be able to choose who you want, and who do you want, and what's your budget to pay someone to do this, to set up the Ecwid store for you, to make it for you, right? Because they're also going to do from Ecwid to WordPress to Wix, depending on what you want to do. So you have to be very specific to be like, I want my Ecwid store to show on WordPress and my Wix site, and then you just be very specific, because what we don't want to do, we don't have a case where now you pay someone to do a certain task, and then they don't bring back the results that you were expecting, just because maybe it wasn't clear in the beginning, like what was it you actually wanted, you understand? So yeah, you can click the link in the description. It's gonna take you to this page. This is Fiverr, by the way. So you come here to Fiverr, you just come here, you choose someone specifically. You choose these guys with reviews. You read the reviews, see if people are happy with them. When you see that people are happy with them, that they're good people, right? Then you just pick whoever you want, right? But then let's go on, and let me show you how to make a store. So now, if you don't have an account with Ecwid, right, you can just click the link in the description to sign up, and then it's gonna take you to the page, and then you can get started for free. And then, so first we're gonna start by adding a product, right? So we first start by adding a product. Now, for the sake of this video, I just got a iPhone picture, right? iPhone 11 SKU is required, so yeah, SKU kilograms. This is not required, it's just my own. 0.5. Description: the latest iPhone. Right, iPhone. Okay, right. The once you're done, you add your pricing here. Now I'm in South Africa. This will be in rands, so we don't be in dollars, like in dollars or rupees or whatever country you're in. It won't be. So, but you're able to optimize and change the currency if you want. Files, shipping and pickup, right? You're gonna have to do this thing, Texas SEO, related products, right? So related products, you just add a related product as a suggestion. Like, let's say if someone is viewing this product, this iPhone, right? And then they're gonna show this product, this iPhone here, as a suggestion. Like, what, you liking this iPhone? There's another iPhone, like just like almost like this one, or similar to this one, right? So then once you're done, and you just press save. Once you're done, and then it's saved, and then you go back. There's your iPhone, right? So once we're done, after that, then we go to the store, to the website, right? The website. So here's your website, right? So first we're gonna start here by edit site appearance. So this is your site. Okay. This is your site, right? Heading and cover. This is the heading and cover, right? So this is this description here. An online store, you can just say iPhone store. For the sake of this video, iPhone store, that would be illegal if I did that. iPhone store, right? There's the description, right? Now you're able to choose how you want the header to be, like this. Yeah, and just play around with it, and then you're able to choose also the background image, right? Pick from gallery, so it's gonna show you inside the gallery for Ecwid, so you'll be able to choose a picture. For the sake of this video, let me just choose a nice blue. I'll choose this one, it's fine. choose this blue. Okay, then once you're done, okay, you can also do this thing, cover overlay, right? To overlay, or you cannot have it, right? Preferably I'm not gonna save it. Now you can also add a video or gradient or color, just a clear color. You press save. Once you're done, then you press back, right? And then you come your button label, right? You can say learn more, or buy now, or whatever it may be that you feel like is best for your button. Okay, and then here now you're able to choose the font size, the type of font that you want. So let's just say, now this is for only the headline, right? Also the button typography, the description is over here, typography, and then the button typography too. So you have 3 of them, right? Customize color, preferably the color is okay, right? So that's what you can customize, and then let's choose the font. Now you're able to choose the size too. Let's choose the same font. You're able to choose the size. Button color, you want it white, yellow, blue, right? Now you're able to choose. Now once you're done choosing whatever, now you press back. Store logo. Now you're able to upload the logo. For instance, I've already uploaded a logo, but I've already uploaded a logo, so I can just add another one. Where's this one? Yeah, let me just upload this one, and then it's gonna come out here. There we go. Show on cover. You can choose where you want to show, at the bottom, both places, bottom and, or don't show at all. So show on cover, round logo. This is the round logo, as you can see. Okay, save, back, right? Scroll arrow. Now the scroll arrow is this arrow here, this one. So basically all this is just a text, right? So you can just say shop now, or not have anything. Preferably I'm not gonna have anything, or you cannot have the scroll arrow at all. See? So yeah, save, back, top menu. Now this is the top menu. Header, showing header. The phone number, show on cover or do not show at all. I don't want my number to show. Header, social links, they can show in header or on the cover, just like this, or do not show at all, right? Preferably that's up to you. I'll show you how to add the social media links. And then show navigation, this is the navigation. And then show shopping cart, there's a shopping cart up there, right? Save and back. And then that's it. And then you go back again. Now you can also edit the store, right? You can edit this, right? You can choose, you want large, medium, small, right? Small, yeah, preferably small. You want it rectangular, angle, square. Now preferably that one. Now you can choose the lettering, where you want it to be, how you want it to be. Okay, in the center is better. And then product card, this is just editing. And then 1-page catalog. Now it's still the same. I don't know what this thing's for. Oh, 1-page catalog is like, let's say if you have multiple products, right? And you have a lot of them, and you can't just put them all on 1 page. So you can also put them in 1 page catalog, or you can put them on multiple pages, next page. And then product list and categories. Now this is product name. You can show, do not show product name. You can show product name, show price, do not show. Like, you just play around with the settings, going down into here. And then breadcrumbs, I'm not sure what that is. But then sort by options, you can also, there's the sort by options. And then darken images, darken background image. Oh yeah, yes. So yeah, save once you're done. Product list, category, it just came from there. You're able to edit the products page to your so desired. Product name. Now you can also add the SKU, the quantity number of items somebody wants. There it is. You can remove it or add it. Okay, it's not coming out. Stock available. In stock. Attributes. There's no attributes. Wholesale price. Yes. Press save once you're done editing. Miscellaneous. This is the sign-in link. Footer menu. There's the footer menu, and then you just, once you're done, you just press back, save everything. Press back, right, and then arrange sections, right. Now able to arrange whether you want this at the bottom or you want it at the top. So it's up to you. Company's missions, company testimonials, about company. Now you can turn on all these things, right, as you so desire. Company's mission, customer testimonials. You can add customer testimonials about. You can add your location here. Okay, here's the contact information. Wow, it's being slow. Okay, okay, I cannot open it just yet. Yes, contact information, right? Now, contact information, that's where you add your links. Here are my links, here are my links, here are my links. You know how to get your WhatsApp link. There's your number. There's your number. Now you can also add your email address, right? And then save everything. And then once you're done, you just edit everything, and then you're done, right? Go back, view site. Okay, that's it. And then you can view your site, and then that's your site. And then okay, now you're done. Okay, now let's go back to this place, right? Now you can also edit the theme of the site, right? So with the themes, yes, themes. Here are themes. So you can just come edit the theme of the site. Now this is the one I chose earlier. Let me just choose it again, just because I know everything won't be the same, right? There we go. And then that's the theme I chose earlier. And then you just press save, and then save everything for you, right? And then that's it. And then when it comes to sitemap, and then for Instagram and Facebook, you first have to connect them to your Instagram, and then that's how you'll be able to come to sell on Instagram. Same as TikTok, same as Facebook, and same as all the above, right? And then once you're done, design, and then I think that's it on how to use it. But if you're liking this video so far, please leave a like and please comment whether it's helpful or not, right? And then you come down here to this way, you come edit your site, whether you want large, medium, large, right, or small, right? And then those ratios that we're able to edit when we're at the site editor. So everything that was there, it's over here also, so it doesn't matter really. And then I think that's it. That's it. You can also create a CSS theme, right? And then once you're done, then you're done, and then you get your site link, and then that's it. But then about the plans, now for free plan is very limited because you can only add 10 products. But then for the now you can also get the venture plan, which goes far, where you can add 100 products. The business plan, we can add 2,500 products, depending on how big your business is, and depending whether you have one store or more than one store, right? And then this is just the plans, right, and everything that you want. So you can just click the link in the description. You go to Ecwid, you try it out, see if you like it. If you feel like you want to upgrade, whatever it may be, go crazy, right? And I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye.